Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, you'll be getting beautiful, amazing hairstyles, ideas, and inspiration. And please, if you're new to this channel, do it to like, subscribe, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I upload a hairstyle trendy video that are trendy in this year 2025. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you beautiful, fascinating cornrows hairstyles that you love for your little princess, your little kids. This hairstyle